Oh.
Okay, so this took us about 2 hours, I think. So we attached the motor, but there's 4 bolts on the top of this transmission that connect to the motor, and they were just way too close to the frame for us to get. So what we had to do, this was a huge pain, is if we come under here, we took the plate out, right? So we took the plate that held the transmission and the transfer case on. We put some jack stands underneath here. We disconnected the 4-wheel drive linkage. We disconnected up top in here. There's a rubber gasket that when we start pulling it out, it should come loose. It shouldn't hold on to it. And then if you look forward up here, I have an extension where we should be able to grab these top bolts, whereas before they were kind of up towards this frame. Now we can get in here at least and get those out. Then once that happens, we should be able to take this motor completely out, and then what we'll do is we'll disconnect these drive shafts, the rear drive shaft, the front drive shaft. We'll drop the transmission and the transfer case along with it. We'll wheel that in the garage, and then our next step is put the whole truck on jacks and take the axles off along with the control arms, so we basically have just the frame. So get ready. The last video didn't show it in detail. It was just very long. It was the underneath bolts. We'll be doing a lot more slow, detailed videos when we start ripping apart the motor and rebuilding it. And if you have any questions along the way, please let us know. We'll walk kind of through what we did here, and we'll answer any questions you might have, or hey, shit, you can answer any questions we might have. So thanks. We'll see you dudes soon.